You have to start. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So let's just kind of jump right into this. I know you're here because there's something that you want to do. You've just got to start. Stop planning, stop overanalyzing, just start. Set time aside a day. Write down what time you're going to go and do that thing that you're going to learn that you've wanted to do. Pause this video, write down what time you're going to do it, and spend 15 minutes on it. Because what's going to happen is your journey is just going to start, and you're going to do it. If that time, and what is so important is consistency. If you can do it at that time of day, every day, do that. Don't try to fill in the gaps from the start point to the end point, because you don't know what they need to be. But you know where the end is, and you know where the start is. And that's great. That just start, because I promise, pushing a car, pushing a rock, dragging something, the physics of it, the physics and the emotion are the exact same thing. Starting and emotionally and physically, energy-wise, is the exact same. It is the worst. It takes the most energy to go and just start. But once, it's just like a train. Once a train or a rocket gets started, it takes forever for it to stop, right? But it also takes forever for it to get going. So if you're constantly moving and you're having this perpetual energy and you're just moving forward, you just eat up all of these little roadblocks that you're going to hit, and you're going to have enough energy behind you that you've built up and momentum to continue on. But right now, I want you, if you're here because you know something in programming and you want to learn more, we're going to talk about this. We're tracking my journey right now, moving over from the data analyst role to the data engineer. And it is excruciating. It's uncomfortable, but I know it needs to be done. And that's how I really know it's the right thing, because I'm so uncomfortable right now. So that means I'm learning something, right? So, all right, real quick video today. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button so you can follow me along. Come here, join the Discord link down below so you're not alone and you get the help that you need and deserve. And you can ask a question. And we are highly focused on new people, because I'm learning something new every day. So I'm constantly feeling new and overwhelmed and like an imposter, and I'm faking all of this. I know how you feel. So please come and hang out, come and join us, so you're not feeling alone, and you can get better at whatever you want to learn, and we can go through it together. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. I want to be here. I want to help. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.